Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to enhance your focus by reprogramming your subconscious mind. Find a comfortable place to sit down or lie down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let's begin. Let's start by grounding ourselves. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly rise. Hold for a moment. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling any tension melt away. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply. Hold. And exhale slowly. One more time. Breathe in. Hold. And exhale. Now bring your attention to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you. Feel your body relaxing into this moment. You are safe. You are here. You are ready to transform. As we continue, imagine yourself in a tranquil beach setting. The sun is shining warmly, and the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore soothes your mind. The soft golden sand beneath you feels comforting and grounding. Imagine a gentle breeze beginning to flow around you, swirling softly from the top of your head to your toes. This breeze is filled with clarity and focus. As it moves, it gently relaxes your forehead, softens your eyes, releases tension in your jaw. This gentle breeze flows down your neck, releasing any tightness. It moves through your shoulders, arms, and hands, filling you with warmth and relaxation. Feel it move down your chest, your back, releasing any stress. It continues to flow down through your abdomen, hips, legs, and feet, grounding you to the earth. You are now fully relaxed, fully present. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the beach. This is where the land meets the sea. The water is calm and inviting. You notice a small boat anchored nearby, waiting just for you. This boat represents your journey towards enhanced focus and concentration. Step into this boat and feel it gently rock as you settle in. You are safe and you are guided. The boat begins to move smoothly across the water, and you feel the gentle breeze on your face. The ocean is vast and full of potential, just like the possibilities within you. As you glide across the water, you notice the horizon ahead. It's clear and unwavering, symbolizing your ability to achieve better focus. With each gentle stroke of the oars, you feel more centered and aligned with your purpose. In the distance, you see a small island. This island is your island of focus. As you approach, you notice a path leading from the shore into a lush green forest. The trees are tall and vibrant, symbolizing your growth and ability to concentrate. Follow the path and feel the sense of purpose guiding you. In the center of the island, you come upon a beautiful, quiet clearing with a still pond in the center. The water is so clear that you can see to the bottom, representing your clarity of mind and sharp focus. As you sit by the pond, imagine various distractions appearing around you. This could be in the form of noisy thoughts, images, or sounds. Now see yourself calmly acknowledging these distractions and then gently letting them go. Watching them dissolve into the air. Each time a distraction arises, you easily and effortlessly release it, allowing your focus to remain sharp and clear. Now sit by this pond and take a deep breath, feeling the tranquility enveloping you. This pond reminds you that focus is about stillness, clarity, and unwavering attention to what truly matters. In this serene spot, affirm these truths to yourself. I am focused and attentive. I complete each task efficiently before moving on to the next. I choose to stay focused and present, ignoring unnecessary distractions. I find interest and value in every task I undertake. I prioritize my health and get enough rest to stay energized and focused. I break my workload into manageable steps and tackle each one confidently. I set clear, achievable goals that guide my focus and efforts. I remain calm and focused even in challenging situations. I am organized and make the most of every moment. I am grateful for my ability to concentrate and succeed. Now, imagine standing up and walking back towards the boat. Feel a sense of empowerment and readiness with every step you take. As you leave the island, you carry with you the lessons and the clarity of the pond. You are ready to face your day with a renewed sense of focus and purpose. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body gently, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Bringing with you this sense of calm and focused energy. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you have the power to enhance your focus and achieve your goals. Have a wonderful, productive day. Stay focused and keep shining your light. I will see you in another one.